Have you ever had a brilliant product idea but got completely overwhelmed by all the steps needed to bring it to the market? What if I told you that you could go from a simple idea in your head to a complete product collection selling worldwide in just 10 minutes? This is exactly what's possible with the tools I'm about to show you. The traditional product development process that used to take weeks or months can now be done in minutes. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to turn a simple idea into a professional design using AI, the exact process for creating an entire product collection instantly with Gelato's instant collections, and how to generate unique mockups that make your products stand out. Creating products the traditional way is such a nightmare. You start with an idea, then you need to find a designer, which can cost from $50 to $200 per design. Then you need to create mockups, write the product description, set up the listings, and figure out production and shipping. By the time you're done, you have spent weeks and hundreds of dollars, and you still don't know if your idea will actually sell. Most people give up before they even get their first product to the market because the process feels overwhelming and expensive. That's when I realized that there is two product creators. Those who get stuck in the traditional model of expensive designers, slow process, and high risk, and those who use modern AI tools to test ideas quickly and scale what works. The difference is big. Traditional creators might launch 1 or 2 products per month. With AI tools, you can test dozens of ideas and launch successful collections in the same time frame. And to do this, we're going to be using my favorite print-on-demand platform, Gelato. So to start with this, the first thing that you have to do is just go ahead and create your Gelato account. And if you don't know how to, you can click the link on my description and create one completely for free. Over here, what we have to do is just go to the section of Add Products. And over here, we're just going to select the section of Create Multiple Products from a Template. And then it's from here where you can go ahead and drop your design if you already have it. If you don't, you can create it with the help of AI. And that's what I'm going to do. And to do this, I'm just going to go open my account and I'm going to click in New Project. Over here, we just got to go and name our project and use the sizing for our design. I'm just going to be using the 1x1 since it's the one that I can use for most of my products in Gelato. So I'm just going to keep that one and I'm going to click in Apply. Once we are in this section, we're just going to click in Text to Image. And it's over here where we can go ahead and add our prompt. So over here, we can go ahead and add the prompt to create images for our product. And since we're starting summer, I'm going to create a summer collection. And I would like to do a shell. And to do this, I'm going to be using this prompt. And you can even go and use Designs Prompt Improver. So over here is going to make it even better. And if you don't know how to make a prompt of the image that you want to use, you can even go use an image of reference and ask ChatGPT to make you a prompt to create similar images. And once you add your prompt, we can go and again define our 1x1 aspect ratio, or you can just go and put it in the canvas since we already set it up. And then from here for the color match section, if you already have a specific color palette for this design, you can go and use it over here. So we're just going to click in more color palettes. And then from here, you can choose the one that you like the most. And you can use all of these color palettes, which are a lot. And then the AI will follow this color palette for your designs. So for mine, I really like it, the pink, and I'm just going to stick to those ones. And once you have all of those details, you can click in Generate. And then over here, Design already generates very beautiful AI images that we can use. And I really like them. I really find them very cute. What you can also do is just go ahead and adjust things that you don't really like. And to do this, we're just going to go and we're going to click in the AI editor. And as you can see, we got 2 options for our images. Now, what you can also do with design is generate a variation of these 2 images, chat with the editor, AI editor. You can even make an AI video of this, but for now, we don't really need it. And all of these other options. I think for mine, what I'm going to do is a AI editor. So we're just going to click in the number 2, which is the one that we want to edit. So what I want to do is just go ahead and change this image into pink as well. And to do this, I'm just going to go and I'm going to click in Local Edit. And the first thing that we have to do is just go ahead and select the element that we want to change. So I'm just going to click in Auto, and it already select the whole element. Over here in my prompt section, I'm just going to add, make it more pink, and we don't need to leave any style, and I'm going to click in Generate. Over there, with only one click, we already changed our image. And as you can see, it's definitely much more pink, which is very beautiful. And now that I really like it, this one, I just double click to add it into the canvas. And what I'm also going to do to use them in my products is I'm just going to go and remove the background. This is very important that we do because then we can use them as elements in the products. So over there, we have the background remove. And now we can go ahead and download. We're just going to click in export and we can click in export canvas. Once that we already have our elements, now we can upload it over here. I'm just going to click in browse files. And then from here, I'm just going to click in my elements. But as you can see over here, you can even go and upload up to 500 images at once. And with this, we speed up our process. So once you upload your images over here, you can click in continue. And to use this section, it's very important that you already have a template, otherwise you have to go and create one. This could be a little bit confusing, but it's just very simple. And to do this, we're just going to click in create a template. And from here, we can go ahead and select the product that we want our designs to be. So I'm going to be using the same one, so I'm just going to go to the section of women's clothing. And then from here, I'm just going to go to the section of t-shirts. It is from here where we can go ahead and choose from all of the options that Gelato offers. As you can see, there are so many that you can just go and choose from. And then I'm just going to go and select this one. It's from here where we have to go and generate our template. So to do this, I'm going to go to the section of files and I can go and upload my design. Then from here, you always have to make sure that your design is always in blue. This means that the quality will stay good when they print your creation. So I'm just going to make sure it always stays in blue. And now we can click in add text. It's over here where we can go ahead and add our text. And then I'm just going to be adding my text one by one. And what I really like about Gelato is that we can even go and customize this text. Because I don't really like this font, I can just go and choose from the different options that I have. So that one is nice, and we can change also the other one as well, and that looks much better. And we can just go and adjust our text so it always fits in the printing area. So I can even go and make this bigger, and also this one a bit more big, and we can adjust our image, and there we go. You can also go ahead and add your back, your inner neck if you have a logo or something that you want to add, and these other options as well. I'm just going to leave it like this, but you can also go and add all of these other options. And now we can click in continue to mockups. It's over here where we need to go and select our mockups. So I'm going to be using this one, and as you can see, Gelato have a lot of mockups that we can use. But another amazing feature that they just released and I really like is the magic mockups. And to use it, you just have to go click on it, and then from here, Gelato offers you some options of mockups that you can use. So for mine, I think I can use a lifestyle one since this will help me to reflect how my designs will look in a normal day, and I can click in generate mockup. Now, as you can see, our mockup looks perfect. I really like the result, and we can click in add mockup. You also need to have in mind that the mockups that have the crown over here are only Gelato Plus account mockups. So you need to have your Gelato Plus account to use them. And once you have selected your mockups, you can click in continue to details. Now we have to go ahead and generate the description for our t-shirt. And to do this, you can either make it manually, otherwise, you can also go and generate it with AI. And to do this, we're going to make exactly the same. Generate with AI and then just give a small description of your t-shirt. So I'm just going to add mine very simple, summer t-shirt with seashells, and we can click in generate with AI. And now with just one click, we generated our description and our title. And over here, we also have some suggestions for our tags. So I would recommend you to always check it. And what I really like about this is that if you want to change something, you can still do it on this section. You don't need to use everything from the AI. You can always use the help of AI, but if you want to change something, you can always do it. And if you're happy with it, you can click in apply. And now we can click in continue to prices. Over here, you have to make sure that your preview costs are with USD and for the United States. What I would also recommend you to do is always include the shipping costs in the profit calculation, since this will let you see your actual profit. Another great tool that we have in Gelato is the set profit margin. So in this way, if I just set up that I want my profit by the 30%, I don't have to go and change all of the t-shirts pricing. I just have to go set it up here, and then it's going to generate it automatically. And as we can see over here, we have the pricings, and over here we have our estimated profit. We also can see the product cost and the shipping cost for the USD. Now we can continue to review. And it's over here when we can go ahead and check every detail from our template. And as we can see, we have the sizing, the color, the retail price, and the estimated profit. And we also have the delivery regions. And now we can click in Save Template. It's going to give us the name of our template, and we can click in Save. And over here is going to appear your new template. So we're just going to go select it, and we can click in Create Products. Once you select that option, it's going to send you your email confirmation. So you just have to go and make sure that this is your right, because they're going to send you an email when your collection is ready. So I double check this, it's good, and we can click in Confirm. Now over here we have to wait that it processes our collection. And this could take between 10 minutes or hours depending on how many designs you upload. So if it takes a while, don't worry. It's just that Gelato is making sure that all of your products are perfect. And now here we have our 4 products. So as we can see, we have the 4 of them, and we can go ahead and then just check it out and then just make sure that everything is good. I would recommend you to check the description and then make sure that everything does make sense. But that's how easy you can go and generate all of your products with just few clicks. Now you might be wondering about the cost. The beautiful thing about this system is that there is no upfront fees or monthly subscriptions for basic features. You only pay when you make a sale, and Gelato takes their cut from the production cost. This means you can create hundreds of products and test the market with zero risk. Plus, they're currently offering a 50% off on your first order, so you can click the link on my description and test the quality yourself. But here is something important. Right now, you have the opportunity to be among the first to use these tools, while most creators are still doing everything manually. The product creation market is huge and growing, but the creators who adopt this AI tool first will have a significant speed advantage over those who still using traditional methods. So here is what to do next. Click the link below and sign up for your Gelato account and start exploring the AI features. Pick an idea and test this 10-minute process yourself this week. See how quickly you can go from a concept to a ready product. Imagine where you could be in a month with dozens of successful collections available across multiple platforms. The opportunity to move fast won't last forever, as more creators discover these tools. So click the link below to get started. And don't forget to use a 50% discount on your first order to test the quality yourself. If you're also wondering what else you can create with the help of AI, you can check my video on 3 digital products that you can create and sell using Canva. The link is on my description. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video. Have a great day.